Welcome to my apartment. I've been living here for about a year now. It was the first place that I really had to myself, so I did try to make it feel very me. As soon as you walk in, this is what you get. This is my shoe cabinet, and it was kind of the perfect size, the perfect height, because I had this, and then I also wanted something really, what's the word?
Narrow.
Narrow? Yeah, because you see, like, my door doesn't open all the way, but it works. And then the kitchen, it's kind of small when June's over and we're both cooking because there's not too much counter space, but it works for one person. I hated that the stove was actually right next to this wall, but I added this. What is this called again? But it just kind of protects the wall. All the appliances were new when I moved in. I also had a dishwasher, no garbage disposal, but a lot of cabinet space. Like, I don't even use half of it. And then this is my fridge. I feel like every time people come over, they spend a good minute or two just like standing in front of here and looking at all the photos. But this is just some of my favorite people. It's kind of a new thing, but we started to collect these like magnets whenever we go somewhere. Yeah, and some of them were gifted. All right, so this is a pretty small bathroom, and the reason I never film in here is because the fan is just constantly running. I think this and these were my favorite things about this bathroom. Another good thing about this apartment is that there's a lot of storage and closet space. I have just, I mean, it's kind of messy right now, but this is just where I kept all of my winter stuff, suitcases, and the rest of my shoes that don't fit in the shoe cabinet. And then there's another closet with a washer dryer, which is a luxury in New York. It's not very organized, but it's basically just all my cleaning products and miscellaneous items that don't fit anywhere else. I have a lot of extra blankets up here, some board games, and I don't know, but it's just a lot of cleaning products. And then these are just hanging. This is by our friend Nina. She's actually selling prints again. I don't know if it's sold out, but this one Frisia got for me years ago. My coffee cart. I get a lot of questions about this too, and this is from Amazon. These two are fellow. I just kind of splurged on these. So I drink coffee every single day. Behind this is the electrical panel. I don't know if you guys remember, but I just covered it up with this print from Diseño. Just add some color. There's really no system here either. I always meant to get some sort of boxes. I just got some stuff from Chamberlain Coffee, and then there's this one. The sofa is from Eternity Modern. Is it comfortable? I would say yes and no. For watching TV, it's definitely comfortable, but I wouldn't say it's a napping couch. And one thing that I didn't really think about is, while for me this is fine, like a low back, when June comes over actually, it's way too low for him. So I don't know if this guy is gonna come with us to the new place, but coffee table. I don't know if I would recommend this just because when it came, he had to drill the holes. Like, it just came as two wooden planks basically. Do you remember that? So I don't know, unless you want to drill and measure out where all the holes are going to be, then I don't know if I would recommend this. And then I have these lamps. All the plants in my house except one are not real. I don't have much of a green thumb. This diffuser is the one that I mentioned in a vlog. It's noted lime basil mint. This is actually a bench. It's from Urban Outfitters, and when I first bought this, I was gonna actually just use it as a bench in my bedroom, but it ended up being my kind of media console here. And then I added this checkered rug to just kind of break apart the wood because the wood was way too similar to my floors. These black chairs, I have one here and then in my bedroom too. These are also from Urban. I was originally gonna use these as dining chairs, but they just kind of act as decoration now. And then this lamp, I think I got it on Overstock. This just standard round dining table. These chairs are actually from Home Depot. I actually don't know if I would do a glass see-through dining table again. It's just so easy to see where all of the marks are and the scratches. Do you like it? You don't care. So this is my bedroom. It's a pretty good size. I have a queen size bed and a desk. All of my bed sheets and pillowcases, they're always from Brooklyn. I have a print back here that I just never got around to hanging. Oh, and I have another print. So here. For my desk, I do have a standing desk, which I don't really use the standing portion. I used to when I was working my 9-to-5 job. This monitor is just a Samsung one, and then this blue chair is from Amazon. And then over here is my just little cart of miscellaneous items. Over here are my books. I have this and this that my therapist told me to get. This is just kind of like a collection of some of the flowers that June has gotten from me over the years. And then over here is my closet. A little messy. Don't look at it too closely. I really had to utilize this space. And as you can see, it is jam-packed. This one, it ended up fitting perfectly in my closet. And I have like 2 little carts on the side too with just random things. Yeah, that's pretty much everything about this apartment. If anything is still available, I will link it in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting more moving vlogs very soon. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.